Oh no, not again. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. So we got all these awards. So yeah, we did Splatoon 2, guys, but it turns out the same thing happened again. You leave the app, and it turns out you lose all your recording. Bah! So looks like you messed up part with me and Zephyr. Oh no, you don't. So yeah, we did Splatoon 2, but then I lost my recording. Why does that happen? So let's claim these awards. We did Splatoon 2, so I'm gonna do a bit of that real quick. So just gonna show you the awards we got. So we got all these. I started some Splatoon 2 done at least to like 9:30ish. Oh my word. Let's go show you the awards real quick. Let's hope we can get some Splatoon 2 done. Cause I had 30 minutes of footage and now it's gone. Like, boom. 30 minutes of footage wasted. So I wasted 30 minutes. Oh, come on. I've seen a verse. God dang it. Why does VideoCam do that? Sorry if YouTube capture when I've done this to me, but, Let's get Splatoon 2 done. So they don't. I had 30 minutes of me and Zephyr doing up in League, and then boom, all that wasted. And I'm not gonna get the 30 minutes back because this video's gonna almost be like 20 minutes long. Jolly. I hate it. I hate VideoCam. Ugh. I hate VideoCam so much, but it's the only app I have that's pretty much. Ew, it's. Yay, I lost my video footage. Jolly. VideoCam. Why did I have to put YouTube capture? Why aren't the app developers got YouTube capture and upgrade to make sure it works on iOS 11? What? I just want to live stream again so I don't have to worry about this every single time. Alright, we'll do like until like 20 minutes of Splatoon 2 at least. I had 20 minutes of me winning. I'm not gonna get that back. Yay. So we got like 1 or 2 matches of Zephyr at least. So we have to at least attempt to recreate what happened in my lost recording again. Why did we get have to do that? See, I just hate VideoCam for that. You think you have to do? Oh my god, frick me! I'm not gonna go to ZSOUC's room. I wanna do ranked. Get me into a room, or I guess hope Zephyr's ready soon because I'm running a long time. Wait. Gobi. Alright, with Shipyard or Gobi, right. I'm an idiot. I thought Gobi was, I thought I accidentally had the turf war. But I forgot I'm on, but as soon as it's the right mix, okay, I'm back. Never mind. Never mind, oh jeez. No. God dang it, they killed me. Oh, we got to 98. Oh, come on. Don't tell me now I'm going to get bad luck. Yay, we lost the lead. Aren't I just happy? you going, you idiot Rainmaker? When I say this way, it's this way. I know where you're going, but it's probably to get us killed. Ah, my stupid Rainmaker explosion. At least we got the 62. Might as well keep it there. Sorry, that's a waste. No. Now make sure I don't get killed. This way, you idiot Rainmaker! When I go this way, you dolt. Seriously, I go this way! Why aren't you not going this way? Not your own route, you idiots! It feels like I'm just talking to it like a hollow statue. You're not gonna get far. You're not gonna get far with that Rainmaker, I could tell you that. At least I got the guy who was covering the Rainmaker. At least it still the thought. Well, at least we're still at 39, so there's no way we can. There's no way we're losing. At least you have to play the game as like Stolly. Make sure we just play till like the timer runs out, or we actually make it to like the pedestal. Where are you going? You know you're wasting your time with the Rainmaker. You retreat, right, you adults? You might as well die. We're just gonna keep retreating. Okay. Oh, just go that way. Just go this way. Let's go. I don't care. I'm gonna be coming for you. Oh my god. We lost the Rainmaker? I'm gonna go against, like, I'm gonna do Splatoon. Like, I have school tomorrow, like, seriously, I have school tomorrow, and I'm gonna get some Splatoon 2 done. Just Splatoon 2. Yeah, no. No, I swear to God, we got the Rainmaker, we just lose it. That rage would have been real. Whoa, jeez. Well, that's not clever. I didn't know there was we had our sponge all the way up here. That's just too clever. Whoa! What? Oh, I just want to swear now. I'm mad. We would have had it. Okay, at least we made it to 4. Now there's literally no way. We're 20 seconds after the clock. Excuse me. If I said something else, I apologize. I'm 20 minutes on the clock. There's no way they can't make it to, like, more than that. They have to literally pull out a miracle. Let's not actually allow that to happen. Boom! I splashed out on your grave. Like I said, they needed a miracle, but we're not allowing that to happen. You're gonna need more than that to topple me, I'm afraid. Oh, come on, we rank up. Come on, let's rank up. Please, 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 please. I want to rank up so badly. I want to rank up badly. I need to rank up. I'm so close to. Look how close I am. And I'm about to lose it all. Miss Octo? That's like a ridiculous name I've heard. Seriously. Oh my god, get my controller. Come on, Zephyr. At least rank one match. We can actually do like one match. Hey, my camera. Oh, god dang it. hate stupid video cam. It's like you have to do all your recording in like one shot, otherwise you're done. Rip my entire 30 minutes, and I'm unable to get back. Now we play from like the floor until like Zephyr comes back on, but it might be too late. Oh jeez. Well, wait. Yeah, dually skull trees. Of course, dude. Why do I keep seeing players of that? And why is the time going by so fast? Like, I know he's meant to supposed to be lengthy, but I'm pretty sure not to be this. Or it's meant to be, or it's supposed to be cut this short. Ah, he died. Ah, he still died. Whoa, jeez. Oh, that I had it for some reason, but I guess not. No! Oh! Ouch! I was right there. I killed 3 people. I got a triple kill. Even that was vain. You going somewhere, my Rainmaker? Oh, you'll visit. No, 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 no! Get the Rainmaker! No, I swear to God, if they bring it back... Yeah! Look how close they got. Satisfied? Yeah, look how close they got to almost bringing it back. I'm pretty sure you don't want that happening on your conscience. No, don't die. No, we just have to live. And be sure they don't actually bring it back, or unless you make it to the stupid thing boo-boo there. Oh, never mind, I died anyway. No, let's make them lose it. Just kill a stupid Rainmaker, because if they get more than 62, we are dead. Okay, they lost the Rainmaker. Ah, crap, their entire team is right here. Stingray, we lost the lead. Now you just get on out of here, and I'm gonna go to your side to bring this back. I gotta play carefully. Uh-oh, they might know which way I'm going. Wow, who's my team to cover me? Nowhere, fine. And dandy. And they came so close to getting the Super Rainmaker to bring it back. Even that's not even possible. Oh, great, they got it. Ha ha ha. Dang it! I saw the Rainmaker exposed to say, okay, you're losing that Rainmaker. I swear, I want to bring him back now, but I even know that's not impossible on the Rainmaker's actually going to be in this game of chicken. Ah, jeez, missiles. What? You got... Wow, someone died to missiles? Classy. Might as well use it since pretty much I have no more use for it when I have the Rainmaker. Whoa, geez. Oh, come on! Splatter scope or like splatter nuisance. Go, 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 go! 50! Oh, we lost. No, you don't. now that's a comeback. I feel satisfied. God dang it, now that's a comeback. I brought it back. I said, no, we are not going to, you may push it so far, but there's no way bringing it back. So 7 minutes left on the clock. So Zephyr, we had some fun offline. This would have been, ooh, B+. We made it to B. You guys know it's like B+. Then after B+ comes A, A. So we're reaching there. But then I'm going to call that video an end here. So Zephyr, thanks for playing. You know your footage was cut. I gotta go. 15 minutes is at least something of video. At least it's Splatoon 2. I gotta go because of school. See you guys tomorrow.